Okay, welcome to a little bit of hydro bag training. Alright, now first things first, what is a hydro bag? Well, this is a hydro bag. It's a cylindrical bag and it's filled with water. However, you can vary the weight as you fill it yourself. So, in this bag at the minute, I've probably got around about 15 to 20 kg of water. Alright, now then, as you can imagine, that's only going to come up to about here on the bag, maybe a little bit further up. So what we then do is, we fill the rest of the bag with air. It comes with a special pump, and we pump the bag up solid. Now just before we pump the bag up solid, we put our handles on. Now on these we've got two different types of grips. So we've got a barbell grip, and we've also got a neutral grip. Okay? So we've got a bag full of water, which has been pumped up solid with air. And that water sort of sloshing about, as you can see, sloshing about inside, making it extremely challenging for our sort of proprioceptive feedback loop in our bodies. Okay, because how can we adapt to something that moves differently every time we move the bag? Okay? Now when these turn up sort of flat packed, you put your own water in, you put your own air in there, so very, very transportable, very, very easy to use. But again, very challenging, different sort of training medium. I'm just going to show you a couple of movements that we can perform with a hydro bag. Okay? So first movement I'm going to look at is going to be a snatch. So from there, it's going to generate tons of force from our hips, our knees and our ankles, and straight to the top. As you can see, wanting to drift about a bit, this pad, because it's quite challenging with the water in. So after that, boom, up to the top. Down to there, one more, boom. Okay? So that would be a snatch. Another movement we can perform would be a clean. So from there, drive up, we catch the bag in the crook of our elbow, and then from there, we can perform squats, we can perform sort of rotational work, if you want to, make it quite challenging again with the water. There's a couple of movements as far as the barbell grip goes. So, we then want to move on and look at how our neutral grip is going to perform. So, from there, what we can do, we can pop the bag up onto our back, and we can perform lunges. So from there, lunging out to there, again, quite challenging, with a different dynamic of the weight. We can perform squats from there, we can perform dumping squats, again, quite challenging. Okay? We can do rotational work as well, with our neutral grip. So, from there, down to one side, or the opposite shoulder. Okay? Really challenging because that water sort of sloshing about inside the bag. So, a nice little introduction to hydro bag training. Very challenging with great benefits.